Why do we yawn, even when we're not tired? Yawning isn't just about being sleepy. It's actually your brain's built-in air conditioning system. When your brain gets too warm, yawning helps cool it down by bringing in fresh air and increasing blood flow. Even cooler, yawns are contagious because of empathy. If you see someone else yawn, your mirror neurons kick in and say, "Hey, me too." That's why even thinking about yawning makes you yawn. You're yawning now, aren't you? Brain hacks like this. Keep watching, you're getting smarter every scroll.